So I'm still going through two Toby's CAD versus CAD tournaments. This one is Match 3 Battle 2 Dom versus Ricardo Salido. This is Wedge. It's the tier 5 part. The mass is 2.73 pounds. The tolerance is plus or minus 2 thousandths of a pound. Everything looks pretty. I don't see anything. Well, I did model it with them, and I'm not gonna say I was got lucky and got pretty quick, or did it pretty quick. So anyway, I'm gonna uh, give it a shot and maybe see if I can do a better job, which I don't have anything really to compare it against. So IPS, ABS, top. I'm just gonna do a center rectangle here. So 2.5 and 6.5. Radius is zero point 0.5. Yeah, I know what's up with that. So 0.25. So I'm gonna do top plane. Um, let's do offset, and we'll do 0.25 and reverse it. And then let's do a convert, and then pop a line in here. Try to make that thing vertical. D is for dimension for me. That is 1.25. So I'm going to extrude that guy up zero point 0.9 inches, and I'm going to select this contour. So we'll go back to front, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to see yeah, because it needs to go all the way back to here. So we'll just do that. Cut it, flip, we'll go through all both. Okay, yes, okay, good. So let's go back to normal, and let's start with let's go front, not top, but front plane. I don't know if yeah, it's on the bottom. So, so 1.5 diameter. Um, from the right side of the part, it's 2.25. Then we'll extrude that from mid plane 3 inches. Okay. And then I'm going to do a front plane sketch that's radius 0.75, 1.5. Let's see, 0.875, so 7/8. And I wish I'm going to kind of move this circle over here a little bit because I don't. Anyway, we go straight down. Just kind of drop it here. And I'm going to so I can get this to be tangent. Did not. Yeah, there it went. And we got tangency there, we got tangency there. So we could actually make these guys vertical to one another and connect them with this line here. Then we can trim this guy out to give it a vertical dimension of 1 3/8. And then it's 3 to center. So if we extrude 0.25, and then we offset by 1.5, which is 0.75, we should be good on that. Yeah. So if we do front plane mirror, we'll just mirror that guy over. I'm gonna start on the top plane. It's gonna be 1 diameter. Go ahead and make these guys horizontal. It's 2.25. Extrude up 1.25. Make a sketch here. What is that through hole? It's 0.5, so cut We'll just go through all. Well, what is that? It's 0.75. Cut down 0.25. Okay, let's back to the front orientation. So front. I mean, I don't know how much of a big time saver this is. So one, I'm just gonna cut through all both. Yeah. And then front, I'm just gonna convert that entity and then drag it over here. Cut, flip side to cut through all both. Yes. And then we've got the part there. So let's see, 2.2 or 0.273. So that's good. So that works. If we go down to 3 decimal places, 0.273 is it. It took me 4 or 5 minutes to do it. I don't know. I'm a little like some of the tier fives I can do in 3.5 minutes. Some of the tier fives it takes me 5 minutes to do. So I don't know. But yeah, I maybe could have done this in fewer features. I'm not 100% sure about that. I was thinking here if I just extrude all the way across, I could cut down. But then I would have to know exactly where this lands, and the only way to know where this lands is when it's tangent to here. I mean, there's no angle from here to here, so uh, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how many features I could have saved. Of course, this isn't really a feature. I don't really care about how many features I have in my tree as long as it's correct. But let's see, let's roll it back. So flat bottom or flat base. Extrude that little part on the right side, cut it at an angle. Extrude the cylindrical shape. Make one of these guys, whatever that's called. Mirror that. Extrude the boss up the middle. Cut the hole through. Counterbore it. Cut the hole through the horizontal cylindrical shape, and then cut the bottom off of it, even with the bottom of the part. So I don't know. Not the. It's a pretty good part though. This is pretty easy. This is probably teetering on tier 6. This is just my opinion, but it's probably teetering on a tier 6. So anyway, thanks for the part. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.